Welcome back to my channel, TESL Online Classroom. I am Dr. B. Do not forget to subscribe at YouTube, TESL Online Classroom. Today we're going to learn words that begin with letter G. G says G, G, G. We will sound out letters, blend the sounds together, read words. We will spell the words so that you will be able to write them correctly when it's your turn to write your own sentences. We will also read a short story. And then listen carefully because I will be asking questions to improve your comprehension. Okay? All right, are you ready? Here we go. We will identify objects first, okay? What is this? He likes to eat grass on the farm. It's a goat. Goat begins with letter G. G says G. How do you spell them? Let's write it down. G-O-A-T. Remember, O and A makes one sound. O. Goat. Very good. All right. Ooh, what is this? Where do you see them? You see this at the zoo. It's gorilla. Gorilla begins with letter G. How to write gorilla? Let's spell gorilla and write it down. All right? G-O-R-I-L-L-A. Gorilla. Gorilla. It's your turn to say it again. Very good. All right. This object makes good sound. What is it? It's good instrumental sound. It's a guitar. Guitar begins with letter G. How do you spell guitar? Let's write it down. G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. What's the word? Guitar. Correct. All right. What is this? There's a bow on top. And you usually see this during Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, baptismal parties. What is this? It's a gift. Gift begins with letter G. How do you write or how do you spell gift? Let's write it down. G-I-F-T. Gift. Very good. All right. What else can we find? Ooh, what is this? It says bubble chew. It's a gum. Gum begins with letter G. How do you spell gum? Let's write it down. G-U-M. Gum. All right. Let's look at this. Have you seen this before? It's a game. You play. It's a game. How do you spell game? Let's write it down. G-A-M-E. Aim. And the E is silent. It's a long vowel. Game. Very good. All right. Now, listen carefully because I will read them to you. And then it's your turn to read to me, okay? All right. You ready? Goat. You turn. Good. Gorilla. You turn. Very good. Guitar. You turn. Gift. You turn. Gum. You turn. Game. You turn. Very good. Let's read it again. Okay, this time you read it to me and I will listen. Okay, it's your turn to read. Get ready. Good. 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 Very good. High five. Very good. You did that wonderfully. All right. Now, today we're going to read a short story. And the title of our book or the story is Let's Go. See it? What do you see? Look at the cover. Look at the picture. Tell me everything that you see. Very good. All right. I see a man. I see a boy in the car. What do you think will happen in this story? All right, let's find out. All right. This is the title story. And they just repeated the title. Let's go. You see that punctuation mark? It's called exclamation point. That means they're excited. Let's go. They're excited. All right. There you go. Now let's find out where they're going. Let's turn to the next page. All right. Look at the boy. He's holding a ball. And there's Dad. Okay. Right here. And he said, where are they going? They said, let's go. Drive to the school. The boy excited because he's going to school. They drive to the school. All right, let's turn to the next page. Well, the boy is holding a book, and so is Dad holding a book. Where do you think they're going? Let's find out. Drive to the library. You see the car? They're driving to the library. Who's driving to the library? Dad and the boy is driving to the library. Drive to the library. All right. All right. Let's turn to the next page. Ooh, what are they holding? Dad and the boy are holding a kite. Kite. Where do you think they're going to bring the kite to? Let's find out. Drive to the park. The boy and the father or Dad, he will be driving to the park. Drive to the park. Very good. Let's turn to the next page. There's the car again. There's Dad and the boy. What are they doing? Where do you think Dad and the boy are? Drive to the gas station. There you go. They're putting gas in the tank. All right, let's turn to the next page. Ooh, where did Dad and the boy go? Look at what they're holding. A bag. A bag. What do you think are in the bag? Let's find out. All right, drive to the store. They went grocery shopping. They put things in the bag that they need. All right. Let's turn to the next page. Let's look at the picture again. This dad and the boy. Where do you think dad and the boy are? Drive to the house. They're back to their house. All right. Let's turn to the next page again. Oh, there is dad and the boy with the grocery stuff. And guess where they are? Dad and the boy said, "We are home." They finally got home. All right, so what did you learn from this story? It says go. Go begins with letter G. Tell me a little something that you learned from this story. Just one sentence. Let me hear. That's right. The boy and the dad said, "Let's go," and they drove everywhere. All right? Now it's your turn to read the story. All right? Start with the title. Very good. Let's go. They're excited. Here's the title page. Read it again. Very good. You see dad and the boy in the car all ready to go. All right, let's get to the next page. Let me turn it. Your turn to read. Very good. Drive to the school. Let's go. Drive to the school. Very good. Let's turn to the next page. Your turn to read. Correct. Drive to the library. Let's go. Drive to the library. All right, let's turn to the next page. Your turn to read. Correct. Let's go. Drive to the park. All right, let's turn to the next page. You turn to read. All right, let's go. Drive to the gas station. Let's turn to the next page. You turn to read. All right, let's go. Drive to the store. Let's turn to the next page. You turn to read. All right, let's go. Drive to the house. All right, let's turn to the next page. All right, let's go. We are home. Guess what? That is the end of our story. Okay, now, what did you learn from that story? Can you write a sentence about where you want to go? All right, give you 1 minute. All right, let me hear. What did you write about? Very good. Let's go. Drive to a restaurant. Let's write it down. Let's see. Let's go. Drive to a restaurant. Oh, we almost ran out of space. Can you read that? Drive to a restaurant. All right, let's do this again because we don't have room for the period or exclamation point because we are excited. We use period when you're just telling me you go drive to a restaurant. But if you know you're excited because you're going to eat, okay, we're going to end that with exclamation point. So let's write it down again, okay? Drive to a restaurant. And there's your exclamation point. Exclamation point because you're excited. Let's go. Drive to a restaurant. All right. Now, I want you to read the sentence again. Let's see. Okay, with a lot of expression and excitement. Your turn to read. Very good. Drive to a restaurant. High five. You did a great job. Okay, very good. I'll see you in my next lesson. What letter comes after letter G? H. So stand by for lesson H. Bye.